so got it lubed up, got the oil in there, full battery. Let's test it. It's 2.5 inches. Doing damage, doing well. Not bad, like it. All right, so Ashley got me this really cool mini chainsaw. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing or a review of this mini chainsaw that she got me. I think it's really cool. It's going to help out a lot because I've been wanting to trim a lot of the juniper trees here on the property, and I think this is going to work out perfectly for it. So this is it. Okay, so what we have here is the Seesii, I believe, mini 8-inch chainsaw. Okay, see this? Let's see. Okay, so it comes with an extra chain, some gloves, like a file. It comes with some stuff. Nice little instruction manual. Little brush. Okay, we had already purchased chain oil, bar chain oil, so we got this. It does not come with it. We purchased this separately. I just threw it in the case, and I also already pre-charged the batteries. Comes with just a wall charger, so I already pre-charged the batteries. There's 2 of them. Comes with 2 batteries. Great. Comes with safety glasses. Safety first is always good. Little chain guard right here. So this is the saw. It's pretty great. Cool if you got a garden, you got a whatever you need to cut some stuff down. I even thought this would be good for like if you are into off-roading and hitting trails. You come up towards a narrow area, there's a lot of brush and overgrowth. Just go in there and just cut branches down. Easier than a handsaw, obviously. So the first thing we need to do is put oil in it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some oil in it, which is this. So let's put some oil in it. And in fact, let's look at the manual to kind of get an idea of roughly how much oil we got to put in this thing. Add lubricated oil. Use an oil cap. Pour the bar oil into the oil tank, max 30 milliliters. Bar oil is not included. It's not recommended to fill the tank to full. Okay, not that helpful, but whatever. It says bar chain oil. Obviously this is brand new. I haven't even messed with it. Okay, poke a little hole. I have a funnel because I don't want to make a mess. I don't know what the hell is full. That's full. That's beyond full. Just like that. It takes damn near nothing. Like I'm already making a mess. No bueno. I do not recommend. It took nothing. It took very little to nothing. Okay, so don't do what I just did and overfill it. The instructions even say to not overfill. So let me just like that the napkin absorb most of it. This is how you know this is authentic footage, man, because I'm just going for it, you know. I read the instructions, didn't really say anything specific about how much. It just says not to overfill it. Okay. Put the cap back on. Finish cleaning this up because she's all oily now. Okay, take the guard off. All right. This thing feels like it's got some kick to it. Not bad for a handheld. All right, let me put this oil away. So obviously the next thing to do is let's go cut something. Let's go cut some branches up. And I actually have a tree that I want to go test it on. So let's go test it. Okay, so got it lubed up, got the oil in there, full battery. Let's test it on this tree. So I'm gonna start with, I don't know, I guess some smaller branches and just see how it works. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Cake. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so this one's nice and thick. It's maybe, I don't know, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. It's doing damage. It's doing well. So far, so good. Let's see. Here. Like it says, I recommend wearing safety glasses. I'm just wearing sunglasses, but some kind of eye protection is good. And obviously, I'm just using one hand. I'm not pushing down, nothing. I'm just letting the saw do the work. And putting in work. Let's see. Nice. I'm not getting no kickback or debris. This little safety guard is holding all the debris coming back towards me. Seems good. Seems really good. Again, I'm not forcing it, putting pressure. I'm just letting the saw do the work. This is some poison something. I don't really want to fuck with it, so let's go up in here. It's very nice. I like it. You know. I mean, this is like exactly what we needed. You know. So obviously it's good for this, for trimming. You're not going to take down a whole tree. You're going to take down a tree, get a big chainsaw. But if you want to trim it, you know, clear it out, whatever type of trees or garden you have, it works really well. Obviously, it just chops through this. I kind of want to find something thicker. I don't know, maybe like a good, more like 6-inch branch or something. But I don't really see anything. Get rid of this. I like this tree because I want to get some like coverage underneath it. So I'm just wanting to clear it where I can just walk and then have the shade and not getting hit with a bunch of branches. Let all this just cook out there and die. I think I want to wear gloves before I fuck with this thing. I'm not too sure about it. Actually, we might want to leave that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to get the shade coverage for this side.
Well, sunset's that way, so.
Sunset's that way?
Yeah.
Not bad. I like it.
Okay.